Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Leo. Leo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay, so Leo, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your reading, alright? So this is your current energy, Page of Pentacles. Leo, you are being somebody who is planning to start something new in terms of your financial things, in terms of your financial life, your professional life, your personal life. Okay, so you are being very optimistic at this point of time. Okay, you have a lot of dreams into your eyes. You want to achieve great heights into your life. Okay, and you see that, okay, I have just started my journey, and for you sky is the limit. Okay, see, you have immense opportunities ahead you. Okay, so you are being somebody who just want to invest wisely. Okay, who want to invest your time, your money, your efforts into right direction. Okay, that's why you are being somebody who's taking your own time to start something new. All right, on the other hand, we have Four of Pentacles. This is your person's energy, Leo. Four of Pentacles. It seems like your person is somebody who has achieved a lot into their life. Okay, and at this point of time they are feeling alone and aloof. Okay, perhaps their own people must have ditched them and throw them out of throw them out from their life. Okay, so they are feeling alone and aloof. Or it could also happen that this person has achieved a lot of things into their life, and now at this point of time uh, they just want to sit alone. Okay, they just want to have their own me time. Okay, and yes, they also know this thing that money is most important thing. They are somebody who is being very money minded right now. Okay, who don't want to lose a single penny from their hand. Okay, or I would say that they are completely a money minded person, because this person wants to hold their money very tightly. Okay, they have hold their money from their feet. They have hold their money just close to their heart chakra. Okay, and on their crown chakra also it is money. So they are sorry, so they are being somebody who always look up to many things, who is very materialistic person. Now let's see how you see them and how they see you. So we have Three of Swords. You see them as somebody who is a completely heartbroken person. Somebody must have ditched them. Somebody must have cheated on them. That's why they are feeling that nobody cares about them. That's why you see them as somebody who is completely detached with everyone when it comes to emotions. Okay, you feel that their own people must have ditched them. You feel that their own people killed their soul, their innocence, their belief. Okay, on the other hand, your person sees you as somebody who has just started his journey. Okay, and you are waiting for the right time to move ahead. See, you are standing on the edge of this cliff, so you cannot jump like without thinking. Okay, you cannot take any kind of risk, and it's good that you are taking your own time to see what's happening around you, or what time is bringing into your life. There must be thousands of ships around you. Can you see there are a lot of ships in this water, but it's these ships doesn't belongs to you. So perhaps you are waiting for your ship to arrive at at this or around this cliff, so that you can jump and you can be safe. So you are being somebody who's trying to play safe, that's all. Now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. No action, the Hermit mode. It's just because you are not looking for any kind of relationship at this point of time. I'm seeing that you are being somebody who wants to start something new. Okay, who wants to explore life, who have just started his journey. I told you from this card, Page of Pentacles and Three of Wands, that you are being somebody who wants to start something new, who is just starting their life. okay, and who has a lot of opportunities around you. So you are completely focused towards your life, okay. You don't want to lose your focus at any cost. You are completely focusing on towards your life, towards your goal, towards your finances, towards your professional commitments. Hence there is no action from your side towards this person, okay. On the other hand, Leo, I feel that this person is also not taking any action towards you, because this person is very much busy into their own energies, okay. They are being somebody who must be doing, who must be partying all the time, okay, who has a lot of a very big social circle around them. They are somebody who must be living a very lavish life. I told you, they are somebody who has achieved a lot into their life. So they are somebody who must be I think they are ignoring their emotional quotient or emotional part of their heart. They are not listening to their heart. All they are doing is that just flowing with the water, okay. They are just partying with their friends or with their family members or with their social circles. But when it comes to love and emotion, they are completely blank and void, okay. They are not thinking about it. Hence they are not taking any action towards it. What you guys are thinking about each other or about this relationship? So we have 9 of swords in reverse. I think okay, so we have 9 of swords in reverse. Leo, I feel that since you are completely focused towards your own life, towards your own goals, so you are being somebody who has no time to think about anything. You have a very positive perspective towards life. You are being very very optimistic in life right now, okay, because you want to achieve something in life, okay. So when it comes to relationship thing, I think that you have no thoughts about it, all right. On the other hand, we have 9 of cups in reverse and 4 of swords in reverse. Both of you are on the same page. Both of you are on the same page. This person must have so many offers into their life, and they are, just doing their time pass with all of them, okay. They are being somebody who always who always who is into completely in a dating mode, okay. You always find them with somebody new every time, so whenever you see them or whenever you meet them, okay. So they are being somebody who is not thinking about this relationship at all. They are being somebody who is very flirty, okay. They are dating a lot of people at same single point at same time, okay. And when it comes to this card, 4 of swords, they were somebody who wanted to move towards some direction in life, but now they are completely directionless. They are completely directionless. They don't know where they should move ahead in life. They don't know with whom they should move ahead in life, okay. They are completely, I would say that they are living a false life or imaginary or illusion life. Their life is nothing but an illusion, okay. Now let's see what is your mutual energy and what future is bringing for both of you. So we have 5 of swords. Both of you are doing best in your own life, in your respective life, okay. Both of you are warrior into your own life, okay. Both of you are being somebody who never wants to be in any kind of committed relationship, okay. You have your own reasons and they have their own reasons to be in this energy, okay. And the future is bringing conflicts for you. 5 of swords. I think that this is not the relationship for which you are or which you should look up to. This is not the relationship for which you look up to, because I'm not seeing, I haven't experienced any kind of emotion or love in this reading at all. It seems like you are on your own path, they are on their own path. Then what is it? I think if in future you are going to come in, you are going or you are come across with So with such kind of people, I think it is it is a sign for you to move ahead, because this person cannot give you anything. This person don't have anything to give you, not on materialistic way, but yes, on emotional level this person has nothing to offer you. So if in case you guys come across to each other in future, just check what they are up to, what their mindset is. Only then say anything to them or confront your emotions in front of them. Otherwise it's a completely a waste of time, energy and efforts. All right, if you guys are coming together in future, that thing is going to bring a lot of conflicts, either for both of you or for your respective families. Some conflicts is going to take place. Now let's see how angels are advising you. How angels are advising you. How angels are advising you. Oh my god. I think that within the next few weeks this person is going to appear into your life. Or probably something is going to take place from your love angle within the next few weeks. I have made this thing very clear to you. It's completely your call whether you will take this person or not, you will go along with this person or not. But if you see some red flags into this relationship or from this person's side, it's better to be away from this person. All right, rather than wasting your time and money, energy, efforts, and emotion too. Just do what your heart says. All right. So I feel that Leo, some of you could be dealing with Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Page of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles. All right, some of you could be dealing with Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Five of Swords, Three of Swords, Nine of Swords in reverse, and Four of Swords in reverse. Some of you could be dealing with Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Five of Wands, Three of Wands, and some of you could be dealing with Virgo as well with this Hermit card. All right. So that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, Leo, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.